The Alpaka Go Sling Pro bag. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new Alpaka Go Sling Pro bag. This is a very versatile bag that is compact and can be used for daily and for travel. It has a lot of features and it's very well made. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Go Sling Pro comes with a strap and a USB charging cable for the charging port. The bag is very small and perfect for daily use and travel, as mentioned. It is waterproof and splash-proof. It has many compartments to keep your belongings safe, and it can even double as a camera bag. On the front, you have the Alpaka branding. The material feels very strong and sturdy. You have a nice front compartment that is a good size. You can easily fit a water bottle here. And there is also a small pocket inside. The center compartment provides you a lot of storage options. It is lined with a ripstop nylon material. You also get these dividers so you can configure the compartment and divide it into sections, which we'll go over shortly. There is also a good sized pocket inside, which is held down by a Velcro strap. On the back you have another storage compartment, which comes with a keychain loop. You also have the hand strap and the strap attachment loops. The rear storage compartment is handy if you want to store your passport or IDs. The strap is very well made and has a good padding. Adjustment is easy, and attaching it to the bag is just held by flipping up the Velcro and locking it into place. The strap has a magnetic latch for quick and easy removal. One handy feature is that it has a built-in charging port, so you can take a portable battery and connect it to the port and easily charge your devices. You just secure the USB cable into place and plug in your portable battery source. As mentioned earlier, it comes with these dividers. It comes in pretty handy as you can use it in the center compartment and configure it to your liking. The bag is less than 12 inches wide across, has a height of about 7 inches, and a depth that is expandable to about 4 inches. The exterior material is made of an anti-cut Kevlar lining and is also waterproof. Here I'm running this blade and it isn't affected at all. You can put your everyday carry items and much more inside. Your keys, wallets, phone, flashlight, just for some examples. Overall, I'm very impressed with the bag. It has a good size and it's perfect for traveling or daily use. The bag is very well made and feels strong. The materials used are quality and does not feel cheap. Multiple storage compartments, easily adjustable, waterproofing, and of course the charging port. If you are in the market for a sling bag, this definitely should be on your list. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.